In this Joomla tutorial, we'll take a look at how to upload a document into JoomlaTools DocMan. Depending on whether you have a shortcut on your side menu or via components, you can access the DocMan extension. From here, you will see a list of categories, files, and documents. If we take a look quickly at categories, you can set up permissions on categories, and then when you upload files and create a document container for the file, you can assign the document into these categories to help you group your files. We'll start with files since we need to upload. In the new version of DocMan, you're able to create physical folders on the server if you wish to organize your documents physically on the server. This is great if you want to have files that have duplicate file names, as you can place the same named files into the appropriate different directories on your server. We're going to go to meeting minutes, and we're going to proceed to upload a new file. So here we click the upload button, and when you click the upload button, you'll be presented with an interface where you can drag files from your desktop in here, or you can choose the file upload. We'll choose a file from our desktop. We see the file listed here. We can add multiple files to this interface if we wish, and when we're ready, we click Start Upload. Once we're completed with our file upload, we click the Cancel button. We see our new file uploaded with a check mark. From here, we can create a document. The way to think of this is that a physical file can only have a name, and a document can contain meta information about the document, about the file. So in this particular case, when we choose a file, we're going to create a document. That document can contain information and a description about the file that we've uploaded. We click the Create Documents file. You will see here all the files or documents, files that you've uploaded. At this time, you have the option of changing the name or the title of the document and also providing a brief description. At the top, you'll note that you can choose a category for batch values. So we can say, for example, for all 20 documents we're uploading, we want to, by default, assign them to this folder, and we want to make them published. And then at the individual document level, you have the option of overriding that if you have some documents you want to upload into different categories. With that information provided, we click Save. We're now told the document is uploaded. This box indicates it's uploaded. We can either edit this document further to grant permissions, or we can go back if we wish to upload more files. We're going to click back at this time. We're going to see our file here. We're going to go to the Documents tab now. So in Documents, we have our list of categories. Categories are not the same as the folders we saw on the server. Categories are a way of grouping your documents within DocMan. And categories can have permissions assigned to them. So for example, you can say that the finance group is only available, or management is only allowed to view this private folder. Here's the file we just uploaded. This is the document now, so we have a document container that contains the user-friendly description of the file we uploaded. We also can confirm here the name of the file that was uploaded and the size. If we click on the title of the document, we have an interface where we can specify the metadata about this document, about the file that we've uploaded. Here you have the opportunity to change the title, change the category. If you needed to, you could select a new file if you wanted to change the file on the server that this document container points to. You can also assign access rules at the file level to indicate which user group is allowed access to this file. By default, we're going to say inherit. It's inheriting the access level of the category it belongs to, because this category has a permissions of public. Joomla calculates this as a public file. You can assign a thumbnail to it if you wish. You're free to upload or create your own. Here's a PDF one, which makes sense since we've just uploaded a PDF. And at that point, then you can also specify, let's slide this window out of the way here. In here you can specify the publish on, publish, and also the owner. You can provide a longer description of the document if you wish. When you've completed with the document metadata, you click Save and Close. And then on the front end, we'll show what this front end view of DocMan looked like. These are the documents that were originally in the meeting minutes folder. Proceed to refresh this page. We will then see the new document, the January 2014 file here. So let's do that. We'll click refresh. And here now is the 2014 file uploaded and available to the public. That's just a quick tutorial on how you use DocMan to create files and how you can create physical files on the server. The creation of categories to help you categorize your documents and provide permissions, access permissions to those categories. And of course documents so that you can provide metadata about the file that you've uploaded. That concludes our quick look overview of DocMan.